Hello, all of my readers and viewers. Thank you again in my channel. This is Python class, and we will learn here how to install PyODBC. Why we install PyODBC? PyODBC is required to connect your Py application with the database. Okay, so we need the PyODBC. How can it be installed in my system? For file, first we need to go to the command prompt, cmd run and enter. Run cmd and enter, and then alt enter. Okay, and we will at first I need to find the Python default folder, copy, and sorry cd slash and then cd tp. Okay, now I have the Python. I entered in the Python file folder location. Now I will write here pip install PyODBC. Okay, now system will install it automatically. Okay, fine, this is installed. Thank you. This is the way that you can install PyODBC in your system. I will request all my readers to subscribe my channel that I can upload more and more videos for you. Thank you.